In this video, I'll show you how to import themes to Google Slides. Importing a theme in Google Slides is a quick way to change the look of your presentation without redesigning every slide manually. Google's official Slides help says you can import a theme from another presentation, and when you do that, the theme becomes available in your current file. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer, then go to the top menu and click Slide and choose Change Theme. This opens the theme panel on the right side of the screen. Google says this is where you can select, apply, and import themes for your presentation. At the bottom of the theme panel, click Import Theme. Google says you can then choose a presentation from Google Drive or upload a PowerPoint presentation or another supported presentation file. After you choose the file, Slides will show you the available themes inside it. Now select the theme you want and click Import Theme again. Once you do that, the imported theme is added to your current presentation and applied to it. Google also notes that if the imported theme uses fonts that are not supported, Google Slides may substitute them with similar fonts. If the theme looks close but not perfect, you can still customize it after importing. Google says you can edit theme colors, backgrounds, and layouts using Theme Builder, which is found under the View menu. That is helpful if you want to keep the general style of the imported theme but adjust it for your own branding or content. One important thing to remember is that this works best on a computer. Google's Slides help is centered on desktop for theme, importing, and editing, so if you don't see the option on mobile, that is expected. So the steps are simple. Open your presentation, click Slide, choose Change Theme, click Import Theme, pick the presentation file, and select the theme you want to bring in. That's how to import themes to Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.